Elsewhere live tonight along the Military Highway south of Donna, this area that's under what's considered severe drought, and it's quite a contrast to where we were last week at this time when we were in Houston, just surrounded by water everywhere. Not that far away, about 300 miles difference, and here it's about as dry as it can be. Although I suppose it could be drier. We're in severe drought. There are 2 more levels after this. Let's see if we can find some rain somewhere. Let's look at the radar, see what's going on right now. And for the most part, it's quiet across South Texas. In fact, skies are blue, winds out of the north, the air is dry. It's actually a very comfortable evening across the area. Radar does, though, show some showers down to the south of the valley, and those showers actually may kind of sneak in on us starting tomorrow. The moisture is going to work its way back in this direction. More on that in a second. Let's look at our temperatures, see where we are at news time. And again, for this time of year, this isn't bad. Look at Raymondville, only 84, 83 in Brownsville, Edinburgh at 89 now, just changed, McAllen at 91 degrees at this hour. And dew points, the real measure of how much moisture is in the air, the higher the dew point, the stickier it is. And look, the dew points are in the 50s across most of the valley, low 60s closer to the coast. And if we put that on the Muggy meter, the average number is about 59. And that means we're in the comfortable range for the first time in quite some time. So that little front, not strong, it's still warm, but at least the air has dried out a little bit for a little while. All right, let's look at satellite. This is Katia, Hurricane Katia down in the southwestern Gulf. Katia's not going to come this way, but there is going to be a moisture surge, I think, feed up here tomorrow. We'll look at that in a second, but watch what happens to Katia over the next couple of days. It's down to the south of us now. It's going to stay south of us with winds right now at 80 miles per hour. Eventually begin moving, may strengthen a little bit, then move into Mexico eventually, and then that'll be the end of that. And we'll see a lot of rain way down to the south of us, but a little moisture may sneak this way. There's Irma moving across north of the Dominican Republic, north of Haiti into the Turks and Caicos, southern Bahamas eventually. Still a very dangerous hurricane. Let's look at the track and see what it's doing right now. The winds are still at Cat 5 level, 175, moving to the west-northwest at 16. The mountains of Haiti and the Dominican Republic and maybe of eastern Cuba might rip into it a little bit, but not that much. Watch what happens. There's tomorrow afternoon. We go on into Saturday and Sunday. It weakens a little, but still a major hurricane that eventually turns northward. And right now that official forecast brings it right up the middle of Florida, and that's going to be bad news. No matter how you look at it, even as a Category 4, bad news for the folks in Florida over and over and over again. So we'll watch that and see how that pans out. Not a threat to us at all. Let's watch Futuretrack over the valley, and then we'll look at the rain chances and jump to the forecast. That less humid air that's here now will probably fade away tomorrow as the clouds build back in, bring us a few showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. Best chance for rain tomorrow is in the eastern half of the valley, and there could be some pretty good rain from time to time. It sticks around into early Saturday, but I think by Saturday afternoon it's gone, and by Sunday we're back to sunshine once again. Our rain chances are going to look like this. I think we see a good chance tomorrow, about 50%. But then it drops off after that. So tonight across the valley, skies will stay mainly clear early. Clouds show up later on. Low temperatures about 68, humidity comfortable right now. And then tomorrow we jump back up into the 80s with showers, maybe a thunder shower possible. Near the coast is your best chance for rain tomorrow. Cameron and Willacy counties, a slight chance of the western valley as well. 7-day forecast looks this way, and we keep temperatures mild tomorrow, but then we're back up to 91 by Sunday. And then look at next week. We dry back out. I think by Saturday afternoon we're dry again. And once we're dry, we stay dry. Big high builds in. When that happens, it's hot by day, mild by night, with a lot of sunshine and no rain. So the only chance of rain really from about midday tomorrow until about midday on Saturday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast live south of Donna along the Military Highway. Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 6.